Ciao guys, today I'm gonna make a stew. I'm gonna make my version of the goulash. I'm gonna use beef and pork together. So let's start from the scratch. So let's start to clean the bell peppers. Okay, the bell pepper they are clean. I wash and clean and I use half of each. Okay, this is the mix of the sweet bell pepper. In total is 250 grams. So 1 carrot is around 60 grams. So I'm gonna use a mix of onions, red onions, I call the onions. I use 1 for the soffritto. Now 1 stick of celery is around 60 grams. Clean from the hair. Here we go, soffritto is ready. Just slide like this. I want to keep this shape. Try to don't cry. And half kilo of potatoes. I'm gonna cut just smaller pieces like this is enough. So 1 kilo in total of meat is a mix of beef and pork cheek. 250 grams of marinara sauce, mix of dry herbs from my garden. Couple of cloves of garlic, 250 ml of red wine. Let's start with the soffritto. Let's add a couple of spoons of olive oil, a couple of cloves of garlic. Let's use whole, no chopped. I'm gonna remove later on. Let's add the soffritto. So let's add the mix of the bell pepper. Let's add the meat. Let's add the herbs. Garlic. Let's add the wine. At this point we transfer in the slow cooker dish. We add the tomato sauce. We cover with all the onions. Close. And let's put in the slow cooker. And I'm gonna cook for 6 hours in the slow program. We miss 1 hour to finish to cook. Let's increase the heating to high. Let's add the potato. And let's cook for another hour. Okay, the stew is almost ready. Let's add a bit of salt